Dear children, today I am going to teach lesson second in geography, forest and wildlife resources. In this chapter, syllabus, flora and fauna in India, depletion of flora and fauna, conservation of forest and wildlife in India, Project Tiger, types and distribution of forest and wildlife resources. In this lesson overview, look at the page number 184. ओवरव्यू देखें. लिविंग बींग्स, लिविंग थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच लिविंग थिंग्स और नॉन लिविंग. लिविंग थिंग्स who has breathing and eating and expanded our bodies called living things. Non-living, those are person or creatures which are not eating and breathing. ना सांस लेते ना खाते हैं, not expanded their bodies like living things called non-living things. In this overview में देखें, all living beings share this planet with millions of other living beings. These are from the microorganism to blue whale. There are different kinds of animals, plants and other living beings. Besides, there are non-living things. As such, our entire habitat has immense biodiversity. Ecological system, the humans along with all other living organisms form a complex web of ecological system in which we are only a part and very much depend on this system of our own existence. Multiple network of interdependence. There is a multiple network of interdependence, that is, all the organisms depend upon each other for their survival. For example, the plants, animals and microorganisms recreate the equality of the air we breathe, in the water we drink and the soil that we use to produce food. Forests also play very vital role in this whole ecological system. Biodiversity, it is the sum total of all varieties of species of plants, animals and microorganisms living on the earth. It also includes the habitat in which they live. Some scientists estimate that more than 10 million species live on our earth, and some believe that this number can be more than 100 million. Flora and fauna in India. Variety. In India, a variety of flora, plants, fauna, animals are found. Thus, it is one of the world's richest country in the term of biological diversity. It has about 8%, that is around 1.6 million of the total number of species of plants and animals known in the world. However, at least 10% of the Indian's wild flora and 20% of mammals are on the threatened list, on the verge of extinction. Some of them are categorized as critical, that is, on the verge of extinction. These include the animals like the cheetah, mountain quail, pink-headed duck, and forest spotted owlet, as well as plants like maduka, singings, a wild variety of maho, and Habradai heptoneron, a species of grass. Fact related to flora and fauna. In our country, till now, 81,000 species of fauna and 47,000 species of flora are found. Of the estimated 47,000 plant species and 15,000 foreign species are indigenous to India. The number of threatened fauna in India include 709 species of mammals, 44 of birds, 15 of reptiles, and 3 of amphibians. About 1,500 plant species are considered endangered in India. Categorized of species: normal species, endangered species, volunteer species, rare species, endemic species, extinct species. ये आपके दिए हुए हैं। इसमें सबसे पहले देखें कैटेगराइज किया गया है। इन द इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज has put the plants and animals species in order to extinct in the following categories. First है normal species. Species whose population levels are considered to be normal for their survival, such as cattle, salt, pine, rodents, etc. Endangered. These species are in danger of extinction. The survival of such species is difficult if the negative factors that have led to a decline in their population go on operating. The example of such species are black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, lion-tailed macaque, Shanghai Bro enter deer in Manipur, etc. Vulnerable species. These are species the population of fish has declined to level from where it is likely to move into the endangered category in the near future. If the negative factors continue to go on operating, the example of vulnerable species are blue seal, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, etc. Rare species. Rare species with a small population may move into the endangered or vulnerable category in case the negative factor affecting them go on operating. The Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox, and hornbill stork are examples of rare species. And endemic species. Endemic species are species which are found only some particular areas for the reason of their natural or geographical barriers. Some examples are Mithun, a variety of cattle found only in Arunachal Pradesh, Andaman wild pig, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman teal, etc. Extinct species, species which are not found after such are known are likely areas where they may be occur. The extinct species category consists of those species which are also not available captivity, that is Asiatic cheetah, pig-head duck. Depletion of flora and fauna. The human responsibility. Humans are themselves responsible for depletion of their forest and wildlife. They drain out nature for obtaining resources directly and indirectly from the forest like wood, leaves, rubber, medicines, dyes, food, fuel, fodder, manure, etc. and wildlife. Now, next day, factor responsible for depletion of forest and wildlife.